Right, welcome to another lesson in high school ICT. In today's lesson I want to show you how we insert CSS or cascading style sheets. Okay, and it deals with the layout, colors, fonts and animations on the page, and it allows it's a coding language that allows us to specify styles, for example, the fonts, the color of the text, the use of colors in the text background, etc. Okay, and with the CSS code, we can specify the different elements by either using internal or external style sheets. For now, we're going to look at the internal style sheets, and we're going to look at how we can place the code or the two paragraph and heading, so that whenever we write a heading or we create a paragraph, it will keep that particular style that we have created. Okay, and remember that we start off with doc type HTML, and then you put all your meta tags in. I haven't done it for the demonstration. And within the header, we put our opening and closing style tag. Okay. So what I want to do is to put in a code or a style tag or a style that will be applied to the body section of my document. Take note, the body section is here, but I put it within the header, and this will be applied to everything within the body. Right, so I start off, I type body and a space, and then I put curly brackets, and then enter and tab, and I'm going to say I want my my background color, and there it is. Right, colon, I'm going to say green, and then I put a semicolon. Important that you follow the little nuances for CSS. Okay, so we start off with curly brackets. Sorry, I should have gone to another line there. Curly brackets, then to a new line, background color green, and then over here I close my curly brackets. Okay, now I'm going to put for my paragraph. Okay, I'm just going to write paragraph, and again I actually needed to tab that as well. Okay, and I'm going to put in the font family. Here it is, and Comic Sans MS, and the semicolon, and font size, and that I'm going to make 12 px. Numbers lock wasn't on. 12 px. Okay, and then enter, and the curly brackets again. Right, so what will happen is that the background of every web page will be green. If I use that in every web page, that is, but on this particular web page it will be green, and my paragraph, whenever I have a new paragraph, when I type, it'll be Comic Sans, and that'll be the size. And then I'm going to say for heading 1, and once again curly bracket, enter, tab, and I'm going to say font family times, and again semicolon, and font size, and we're going to say 20 AX, and we're going to say alignment. Take note of the spelling, please, American spelling. And then we're going to say background color for the headings and light green. And semicolon again. And then close the curly brackets. Okay, let's just take this up. So what we should have is whenever I write the headings, so over here I'm going to say H1, this is heading 1. Remember to close bracket or the tag. I'm going to say P for paragraph. This is a new paragraph. Alright, and we're going to save and we're going to run. Okay, so I ran it and it didn't work straight away, and that sometimes happens, we forget things. So if you look back, you'll see that I had forgotten to put a semicolon, and I've got to put a semicolon there. I also just went and changed the background color to orange because I had light green and green, so it wasn't working too well, and I put in the font color blue. And when I ran it, that's what it looks like. Okay. Alright. So that's how we put in our CSS coding. In the next lesson, I want to show you how we can actually make an ID for paragraph. I'm going to use that as the example, and I'm also going to show you how we put in classes, and a class can be used at any paragraph, but I will explain that in greater detail in the next lesson. Till next time then, take care.